So if you have an ANT esports or ANT value motherboard, this is how you update your BIOS. First you go to the ANT value website. Go to downloads, go to motherboard, go to motherboard BIOS, download the motherboard BIOS. Mine is 8610, so I will download it. Next, go to disk management and have a pen drive ready with you. Right click here, show more options, go to manage. Now go to disk management. Now I have a pen drive which is 115 like 118 GB. So this kind of a pen drive isn't supported in the BIOS. Okay, this kind of a pen drive isn't supported in the BIOS, so we have to have something which is less than 32 GB. Recommended is 16 GB. So what I will do is I will first delete this partition entirely, and then I will create a new volume, new simple volume. I will put in 16,000 or like 8,000 or 10,000, anything, whatever you feel like. Next, make sure it is in FAT32 format. Leave all the settings same. Next, finish it. Now this is done. Open the pen drive, go to your downloads, extract that. You would in WinRAR or WinZip or 7-zip, anything which you have. Yes, go to here, go here, go here. Now copy all this, cut, copy, do whatever you wish like. Go here or like drag it here or paste it, whichever you prefer. Now what you will do is, after you have this, you have to do nothing, like just go into the BIOS or go to your boot setup and just boot from your pen drive. When you boot from your pen drive, it will automatically install the BIOS. Don't click on anything, don't do anything, let it complete. Make sure you don't run out of power, the computer doesn't shut down or anything, and you are good to go. It's very simple. Just download, then copy, and copy it to the root of the folder. Don't copy the folder, copy the entire thing, copy the entire this thing. Don't copy this folder or this folder, and keep it on the keep it at the root of the pen drive so that it gets detected. So this is something. And make sure you select your motherboard, whichever motherboard you have, and it's very simple. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, just subscribe.